In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a background song to your snaps on Snapchat on Android. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Google Play Store and you want to make sure you're running the latest version of Snapchat. So to do that, you tap in the search bar Snapchat. So just type in Snapchat and hit search. And if you need an update for Snapchat, it will say update. And then you want to go ahead and download that update because they will roll out the music feature in stages with the different updates for the different countries. So if you have an update, just make sure you do that and then you'll be good to go. I already have the latest update, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on open, and then that'll take you to the main record page for Snapchat, and I can go ahead and take a quick photo, and this will work for both photos and videos. So if I just take a quick photo, you can see now in the right hand side is a little music icon above the attachment. If you go ahead and tap on that little music icon, it's going to load up all these popular songs that you can go ahead and add to your snap. Now it looks like they have added quite a few to when they first released it for iPhone, so that's pretty cool. So let's just say I want to include this song right here. All I need to do is tap on it, and then you can see the little sound bar at the bottom, and you can scroll to the right or to the left to choose which part of the song that you want to include. Now I have this on mute to avoid copyright, but once you're happy with the clip that's going to be used in the snap, go ahead and tap on the yellow tick mark, and that's going to go ahead and add that song to your snap. And you can also add different elements to your snap, so you can add some cool text to your snap if you want, and you can draw on your snap and all the other stuff that you would normally be able to do. Then when you're ready to send that, just tap on the send to button. You can add it to a story or you can send it to your friends. So that is how you add a background song to your snaps on Snapchat on Android. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.